If you want to pay for a domain with Bitcoin on Namecheap, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process from searching for your domain all the way to completing payment with your Bitcoin wallet. This is a great option if you prefer using crypto and want a simple way to fund your Namecheap account before checking out. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go to the Namecheap website in your browser. Once the homepage loads, log into your Namecheap account using your email and password. After you're signed in, head to your dashboard so you can begin the domain purchase process. From the dashboard, use the search bar to search for the domain name you want to purchase. Type in the name carefully and check the results to make sure the domain is available or to see alternative suggestions if your first choice is already taken. When you find the domain you want, add it to your cart. This moves it into your checkout process and gets you ready to complete the purchase. Next, click Checkout to review the items in your cart. Take a moment to double-check the domain name, the registration term, and any extra services that may have been added. Once everything looks correct, click Confirm Order. At this point, Namecheap will ask you how you want to pay. Select Account Funds as the payment option. This is important because you'll first add Bitcoin funds to your Namecheap balance before completing the domain purchase. Now click Add Funds. You'll see a list of funding options, so select Bitcoin. After that, click Next to continue. Namecheap will ask how much you want to add to your account balance, so enter the amount you need for the domain purchase and any extra buffer you may want to keep in your account. When you've entered the amount, click Advance or Continue to move forward. Now it's time to open your Bitcoin wallet. In your wallet app, choose the option to send Bitcoin, and then either scan the QR code shown by Namecheap or use the provided payment link, depending on what works best for your wallet. Make sure the wallet address and payment details match before confirming anything. Finally, complete the Bitcoin payment from your wallet. Once the transaction is sent, wait for the payment to be processed and credited to your Namecheap account. After that, you can return to Namecheap and finish your domain purchase using the balance you just added. And that's it. You've now learned how to pay for a domain with BTC on Namecheap in a simple, secure way. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more tutorials like this one.